English through movie scenes, break down lines and boost your fluency. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. In fact, one of the most entertaining and effective ways to improve your English is by watching movies. But here's the twist. Don't just watch. Break down the lines, understand every word, tone, expression, and grammar used in real-life conversations. This article will guide you through how breaking down movie scenes can skyrocket your English fluency. Why learn English through movies? Movies offer more than just entertainment. They immerse you in the culture, pronunciation, slang, and natural flow of language. Here's why movies are such a powerful tool. Realistic conversations. You hear how native speakers actually talk. Cultural insights. Understand the context and culture behind expressions. Vocabulary in action. Learn words in context, making them easier to remember. Fun and engaging. Motivation increases when learning is enjoyable. What does breaking down lines mean? Breaking down lines means analyzing the dialogues in a movie line by line. You don't just listen and move on. You stop, repeat, and dissect each sentence to understand what the line means, what grammar is used, any idioms or slang, the tone and emotion, how native speakers pronounce it. This transforms passive watching into active learning. Step by step, how to break down movie lines. 1. Choose the right scene. Pick a short scene, 1 to 2 minutes, with clear dialogues. Comedy, drama, or romance movies often work best for learning because of their conversational tone. 2. Turn on subtitles. Watch the scene with English subtitles first. Read as you listen to the dialogues. 3. Write down the lines. Pause after each line and write it down. This helps with spelling, grammar, and memory. 4. Understand the meaning. Ask yourself, what does this line mean? Is there any hidden meaning, idiom, or sarcasm? 5. Break down grammar. Analyze sentence structure, tenses, past, present, future. Sentence types, questions, negations, commands, grammar points, modal verbs, prepositions, phrasal verbs. 6. Pronunciation practice. Repeat the line several times, trying to match the actor's pronunciation, intonation, and emotion. Record yourself and compare. 7. Learn the vocabulary. Look up any unfamiliar words or expressions. Note how they are used in the sentence. 8. Use it in your own sentences. Try to make new sentences using the same structure or vocabulary. This ensures you can use it in real life. Example: breaking down a movie line. Let's take a line from the movie, "The pursuit of happiness, greater than." Don't ever let somebody tell you, you can't do something. Step-by-step breakdown, meaning, never allow anyone to convince you that you are not capable of achieving something. Grammar. Imperative sentence, used for giving advice or commands. Vocabulary. Let somebody do something equals allow someone to do something. Can't do something equals lack of ability or permission. Expression, motivational and powerful. Pronunciation. Note the contraction, don't, and the stress on, ever, and, can't. Practice. Try making your own sentence. Don't let your fears stop you from trying. Best movies for learning English through scenes. Here are some recommended movies with excellent dialogues for learners. 1. For beginners. Forrest Gump. Finding Nemo. The Intern. 2. For intermediate. The Social Network. The Devil Wears Prada. The Pursuit of Happiness. 3. For advanced. Inception. The Imitation Game. A Few Good Men. Tips to maximize your learning. Repeat scenes often. Repetition builds confidence. Act it out. Perform the lines like an actor to feel natural. Use an English notebook. Keep notes on new words and grammar. Join a study group or forum. Discuss lines with others. Mix with daily English practice. Balance with reading and writing. Conclusion. Learn English the cinematic way. Breaking down movie scenes isn't just about learning English. It's about living it. When you learn through movie lines, you absorb the rhythm, the soul, and the reality of the language. So next time you sit down to watch a movie, grab a notebook, press pause, and dive deep into every line. With time, you'll find yourself speaking English not like a textbook, but like a true native. Mastering English through movie dialogues, a deep dive into line analysis. In today's fast-paced digital world, English is more than just a language. It's a bridge to global communication, success, and knowledge. While textbooks and grammar guides are valuable, they often lack one crucial element: real-life context. That's where movies come in. Movies are not just a source of entertainment. They are a treasure chest of authentic conversations, emotional expressions, cultural nuances, and everyday English usage. But simply watching movies isn't enough. The real magic lies in analyzing the dialogues, line by line. Let's take a journey into a unique and powerful way of learning English, breaking down movie lines. Why just watching isn't enough? Many English learners assume that watching Hollywood movies will naturally improve their language skills. While there's some truth in that, passive watching doesn't guarantee deep learning. You may enjoy the storyline, laugh at jokes, or feel the emotion, but without breaking down the dialogues, you miss out on understanding why certain phrases are used, catching subtle meanings or idioms, learning native pronunciation patterns, noticing sentence structures in daily speech. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to watch like a learner, not just like a viewer. The art of dialogue dissection. How it works. Breaking down movie scenes is like slowing down time. You hit pause, rewind, and zoom into every sentence to see how it's constructed and delivered. Here's a refined step-by-step process. 1. Select a character-driven scene. Choose scenes where characters interact closely, such as emotional confrontations, debates, or personal conversations. These scenes often include rich vocabulary and everyday expressions. 2. Listen first without subtitles. Challenge your ears. Try to catch what they're saying. How much did you understand? 3. Turn on English subtitles and watch again. Now read along. What words or phrases did you miss? Were there any new expressions? 4. Isolate one line at a time. Focus on one sentence or phrase. Ask, what does it literally mean? Is there any implied meaning? What's the tone? Serious, sarcastic, romantic, angry. What emotion is behind the words? 5. Break down the grammar. Analyze the line grammatically. Identify verb tenses. Spot phrasal verbs or idioms. Look for contractions and linking sounds. 6. Practice and mimic. Repeat the line out loud multiple times. Try to match the rhythm, tone, and flow of the actor. Deep analysis example. From Good Will Hunting, let's break down this iconic line. Greater than, you're not perfect, sport. And let me save you the suspense. This girl you met. She's not perfect either. Phrase by phrase analysis. You're not perfect. Sport. Direct, casual address. Sport is a friendly nickname. Use of contraction. You are becomes you're. Simple present tense. Let me save you the suspense. Idiomatic. It means, I'll tell you the truth right away. Save you the suspense equals prevent you from waiting in uncertainty. She's not perfect either. She is, becomes, she's. Either is used to agree with a negative statement. Real-world application of contrast in human relationships. Grammar focus. Use of contractions throughout. Your, she's. Negative structure, not perfect. Idiomatic expression. Save you the suspense. Tone and emotion. Calm, honest, empathetic. Shows wisdom and life experience. How this method builds real fluency. When you study English this way, you build listening accuracy. You start catching words you used to miss. Speaking rhythm. You mimic the natural pauses and emphasis. Contextual understanding. You understand how and when to use expressions. Cultural awareness. You learn not just the language, but the mindset behind it. Don't just memorize, personalize. Here's a secret. The brain retains what it creates. So after breaking down a line, do this. Create your own version. You're not perfect, buddy. And guess what? Neither am I. Change the words, keep the meaning. Use it in real life. Try it in conversation with friends. Practice in front of a mirror. Record yourself and compare with the actor's delivery. Turning movie learning into a habit. To truly benefit, make this a routine. Here's a weekly plan. Day 1 to 2. Watch one scene 3 to 5 times. Break down 3 lines. Day 3 to 4. Practice speaking those lines. Record and review. Day 5. Create your own sentences. Day 6. Teach the lines to a friend or explain them aloud. Day 7. Repeat with a new scene. Recommended tools and tips. Uglish.com. Find how phrases are used in other contexts. Language Reactor. Chrome extension. Interactive subtitles on Netflix. Shadowing. Play, pause, and repeat each line aloud. Speech recognition apps. Practice pronunciation accuracy. Final thoughts. Lights, camera, English. Learning English doesn't need to be mechanical or dry. Movies provide a window into the soul of the language, its rhythm, its emotion, and its beauty. By breaking down lines from movies, you not only expand your vocabulary and grammar but also develop the confidence to express yourself naturally, just like your favorite actors. So the next time you sit down for a movie, don't just hit play. Hit pause, rewind, listen, speak, analyze, and slowly, your English will transform, one powerful line at a time. Ready to start? Pick your favorite movie scene today. And let your English journey become as exciting as cinema itself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.